Hi guys, Dan's Dollars here. We are back with close-up coins on the channel. This one is just going to be for a little bit of fun. Unfortunately, no prizes in this one, but there is going to be plenty of prizes on the channel over the upcoming weeks. And this is what it is all about, a little bit of fun, and hopefully you do enjoy this one. So close-up coins then, if you are new to the channel, you are going to see 5 close-ups of 50p commemorative coins. All you need to try and do is guess exactly what they are. All 5 are going to quickly flash up on the screen now, so you can have a little sighter and see what it is all about. And then there is going to be a little bit of repeat. I will stop talking so you guys at home can concentrate. And then you can see the coins for a little bit longer and hopefully guess them all correctly. Now the final 2 coins are territory coins, which means they are from the Isle of Man, Jersey, Guernsey or Gibraltar. Just trying to make it a little bit more interesting and that little bit more difficult as well. So please do comment below and see if you can get all 5 of these coins correct. All 5 of them have featured on the channel over the last week as well. So maybe you might have to look back through previous videos or get those coin collections out at home to try and get yourself there in the right direction and get the right guesses below. So 5 coins to guess. How many can you get correct? We'll find out all of the answers 6 PM on Friday, so just over 48 hours time. Have a really lovely evening everyone. Best of luck to everyone playing along on Guess Dan's Coin this evening. And as always guys, thanks for watching.